So, andito tayo ngayon sa Villa Caceres, Santa Rosa City, Laguna to check this new foreclosed house and lot. Ang lot area po nito is 150 square meters. Ang floor area is 130 square meters. And this is around 4.2 million. So, check natin siya. Ito po yung property. May assigned caretaker tayo dito or lookout. Ayan siya. So hapon na, yung araw andun po sa likod niya. So most likely ano to, morning sun. Ayun na yung araw eh. So check natin yung loob. Ayan. So open layout. Yan nga lang merong mga kailangan ipaayos dito. This is as is where is upon turnover, and this is for bidding. So if interesado kayong magbid dito, please message us directly. Itong kitchen niya. Ito yung back ng property. Medyo masukal na yung likod niya. Property line niya hanggang dun sa may pader na yun. No? Ayan. So hanggang dito. Then may isa tayong bathroom dito. Ayan. Tapos sa taas, tingnan natin. May storage din dito. Maayos pa naman yung hagdan niya. Ilang kwarto niya. Meron tayong common bathroom. Bedroom 1. Bedroom 2. Then meron parang family area dito. Anything masters. Nga lang may stain siya. May sarili siyang bathroom. And may access sa balcony. Balcony to eh. Hindi lang natin mabuksan. Ayan. So this is available in cash or at least 10% down payment. 90% balance bank financing plus taxes and fees. If you're interested to make a bid, please message us directly. Property line niya is hanggang dyan. Hanggang dito. Ayan, may poste doon. Single detached siya. Hanggang doon. Tapos yan. May isa kang parking, car garage. Isa, tapos meron pang dito pwede ka mag-park ng motor. Yan. Side ng property niya. So malapit lang tayo sa SLEX Santa Rosa exit. SM Santa Rosa, Enchanted Kingdom, and sa No Valley. So again, if you are interested to make a bid, starting bid price natin around 4.2 million. Just follow and message us directly.
Still standing, proof for adjustment for evidence purposes. Just take note of this.
Some evidence daw ang
Alright.
Inuntot-tanong pa. Ay, hindi mo pa pwedeng ano
No.
yan.
For the copies, again, this is just take note
Pumasa pa siya ng bar.
in Republic versus now. Kasi dapat may attestation mo
Substitution.
sa court. Now, but let's move on to other points regarding void marriage. Now, for grounds like incestuous marriage and that makes it void, as well as grounds that are against public policy that makes the marriage void. Lahat yan pwede. Of course, hindi naman sabay-sabay tinatanong, pero pasumpot-sumpot. Minsan incestuous, minsan naman yung against public policy. And I think, of course, this as is always the case, memory work yung problema natin dito. Now, but incestuous naman, madaling ma-identify.